Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you how to get 500 GB cloud storage absolutely free of cost. So follow the step by step tutorial. So for this firstly you have to copy the first link. So copy the first link and go to one of your browser and paste the link here. This basically pCloud storage which is cloud service provider and it is really popular for cloud storage. So firstly you have to log in here. So I will log in by Google account. So click on this. So click on the checkbox and click on create account. So as you can see this, I have successfully logged in with my Google account which is here you can show this. So now I have got the 3 GB storage, but I have told you that you will get 500 GB free cloud storage. So how you can get it? So to get it, you have to copy the second link. So copy the second link and go to one of your browser and paste the link here. So you will come into this interface here. You have to log in again. Click on this and click on your Google account. As you can see this, I have successfully logged in here, but it is showing 3 GB used. So how you can get it 500 GB? So to get 500 GB, you have to apply coupon code. So the coupon code is for today 2026. So I will put this coupon code in the video description. From there you will get it, and then you have to click on activate. So as you can see this, congratulations, you have now 500 GB for files. So enjoy the upgrade. So if I click on this and you can see this, it is absolutely showing 500 GB. So you can use this as much as you can. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.